So you're just getting started in your search. Well, today I'm going to give you the top 3 reasons why you should be using a real estate agent to help you find your next home. So reason number 1, real estate agents are essentially glorified matchmakers. Our job is to take the visual image of the home that you have in your mind and try and find it in the real world. That is our number 1 goal, to listen to you and to find it in the real world. The number 2 reason why you should be using a real estate agent is because, well, when it comes down to credit and finance, those things can get really tricky. We can connect you with the right people that can help you get your credit up to par and moving in the right direction, as well as helping you pick the best loan that's going to match the home and the location that you're looking for. We get those things going in the beginning stages so that way we're not pressed for time when we're actively looking for a home. So that's the reason number 2. We help you identify the challenges, overcome the obstacles, and be able to find what you're looking for and match the right financial options for you. And finally, number 3, it comes to commitment. We are committed to our buyers. Our goal is really just to provide you the absolute best service possible and get you the best deal and make sure that our commitment finds you the home that you're looking for. The more that we communicate together, the better understanding we get of exactly what you're looking for. If you stick with one agent and you build that relationship with an agent that truly wants to help you, then all you're going to do is get better service, and your likelihood of finding exactly what you want is going to increase exponentially. So I highly encourage you to stay committed to one agent that you want to work with, because that way you're just going to be helping yourself in the process. So I hope those have at least helped you out and given you a little bit of insight of exactly why it's really valuable to work with a real estate agent on the buying side, even if you're just getting started. So if you have any more questions, I encourage you to click the link below or even send me a message on Facebook. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a good day.